guys, I'm about to leave. Saying goodbye is usually the hardest, no joke, but bye, mom. Love you so much.
Love you too.
Daddy and the baby sleeping, so. So guys, I'm now checked in and I'm heading to security checkpoint. I love the kiosk system. It was pretty easy as it relates to getting in, but I guess when I'm a bit settled, I'll tell you all about my awesome experience and what it is like during this whole pandemic. It's a pandemic. What I love, guys, is that they have a no touch policy for washing your hands and everything. So no touching even when you're drying your hands. You just right there. You're good to go. I have gone through checkpoints and all of that. It was pretty good. No hassle. Went to the kiosk to do checking and all of that, and then I just went to security checkpoint, and it was pretty good. No hassle. I think the best advice when traveling is to do it early. Do it very early in the morning. You have less person to contend with, and I would say this is both going and coming. So I mean, that's for me, really. As it relates to my COVID experience while traveling, I would say that while in Boston, and this is based on my experience now, for the most part, when I went out, everybody that I saw, they were wearing their mask, always have on their mask, and that was very good. Social distancing, it was the same. The only thing different is when you go into the stores, there is nothing set up for you to be sanitized. So I would say we're blessed in Jamaica. I'm telling y'all. Be sanitized every single places and getting temperature check. I'm not see none of that happen over here. Like, you just go in, have on your mask, and you're good to go. But I didn't go out a lot, so that wasn't the trip for it. But next time, I guess it will be better. It will be better. So yeah, so it was pretty good. I didn't feel scared at any point, to be very honest with you, as it relates to the whole COVID thing, because a lot of people scared, but that was not my experience. I did not have that experience. But yeah, so I'm here waiting now to board. I'm going on JetBlue. I actually like traveling on JetBlue, but see you guys in a few. So it's a connecting flight I'm heading to Fort Lauderdale now. I leave from Florida to Jamaica. So see you guys later. Let's go. Thank you very much. Let's go. So long, farewell to you. Goodbye. So guys, I'm now in. Sanitize the chair and all of that. They provided wipes for you to wipe down the chair, so I did that. And I'm now waiting to go. It's a pretty packed flight, but for the most part, they're separating persons like before. Just a little note, my lovelies. So if you're planning on traveling to Jamaica, you must apply on Jam COVID-19 to gain approval, right, for entry into the country. The approval usually takes a day, and you usually get this via your email. Another thing to note is that if you're a non-resident, you must walk with a negative, of course, COVID result. And before entering the plane, this document is usually asked for. So that is very important for you to note. Hey guys, so we got to Florida safely. No waiting to connect from Fort Lauderdale to Montego Bay. My flight is like I have 4 hours to go. But in the meantime, I'll just look around and do a little, eye shopping. One thing I usually do though, whenever I'm traveling, I will buy a keyring for each country that I have visited. I have a bunch of keyrings. Probably I'll show you guys when I get home, but yeah. Let's go keyring shopping. Let's go with this one. There we go, guys. So these are my choices for my keyrings, adding to my new collection. Yeah. Guys, some of my keyrings collection that I was telling y'all about. But yeah, this is just some of it. Airport food, massa. Probably not the nicest thing, but girl gotta eat. Sandwich one with itself. It's real good. Let's go home, guys. Home time. It's time to get on the plane. Can't wait to see Ronnie. I'm coming home, coming home. Thank you. Alright, home time. So guys, we're all set and we're about to take off now. So I'm here, guys, going through to custom. Have to be sanitized. I have not seen my little sugar in a while. Aaron broke my dog foot, but I'm here to see his reaction.
Sarah, who is that? Who is that, Sarah?
Come on, broke off.
I don't want to be too excited.
Hey,